G'day folks, welcome back to Pete's Investing. It's December 2nd, 2023, and as well as the natural gas technical analysis, we're also going to be covering the other natural gas shares, including Boyle, UNG and KOLD. And we'll cover each of these. So first off, let's look at the natural gas price, and you can see here on the weekly, daily and hourly, and I'll cover the same format for each of those other shares. You can see here on the weekly, first off, we're pretty much still in a sideways move. I've covered that previously. The moving average 400 on the CCI 400 of the moving average is the CCI starting to break towards that moving average again. The CCI 150, our divergence indicator, showing no signs of a bullish or a bearish move. You can see there was a bearish signal, a couple of bearish signals back during end of 21, start of 22, and you can see that the price fell off in both instances on those. On the daily, again, both the CCI 400 is broken below its moving average. The CCI 150 is still dropping, no sign of a reversal, and that's in line with the price movement as well, which is currently broken below the 50% level of that Fibonacci range, and it's currently approaching the 61%, and that's a key area to always look out for, so it may fall further in the coming days. On the hourly, you can see there our CCI 400 is broken up, although there is a bit of a slight pullback on the price, and it's actually gravitated back towards this minor support at 27.58, and it's bounced off that a number of times, and we may see it penetrate below that. For any sign of a potential reversal, we need to see it break above that 61%. That's why I've got that dotted line there. So for it to break above that is a first step in terms of seeing this bullish divergence work. If for this divergence to fail, we need to see the CCI drop below this area here, and that will invalidate this divergence. But at the moment, it looks like it may well possibly fall below, but we may see it break higher as well, so I'll keep an eye on it in the coming hours. That's natural gas. In terms of commodity, in terms of the share prices, let's look at the Pro Shares Ultra DJ UBS, or BOIL as the code. Again, very similar to the natural gas. You can see there's a bullish divergence on the weekly. There's still a bullish movement on the daily, although the CCI 150 has dropped pretty significantly, as similar to what the price action's been happening on the daily. And on the hourly, you can see there it's fallen off further since our last update. And I've got this question mark there because we expect to see it break higher in accordance with this bullish divergence. So that's BOIL. Next, we've got United States Natural Gas Fund, UNG. I'll just go through at a high level on each of these, and I won't drill down to all of them. This is still dropping below on the weekly, below its moving averages on the CCI 400. The CCI 150 is still pretty much in line with the price, so no real divergence to talk about there. And the CCI 400 on the daily is also broken below its moving averages, and the CCI 150 is still declining. On the hourly chart, you can see they're still declining, although it's slightly broken above the moving averages. There's still a bullish divergence on the CCI 150, and that's similar to the previous chart. That's also still dropping off. Let's move that over a bit compared to our previous update. And lastly, we look at KOLD, Pro Shares Ultra Short Bloomberg Natural Gas. That's still, the CCI has dropped below its moving average on the CCI 400. There's still a bit of a divergence on the CCI 150. There is a nice big bounce off that support at 43.95, and it's been bouncing up from there after that bullish divergence compared to the double bottom on the price, and the CCI 400 is still trending above its moving averages. However, on the hourly chart, we've got a bearish divergence, and you can see there, as opposed to a higher highs on the price, and the CCI 400 is starting to potentially turn down as well, with the CCI 400 touching its moving averages. So we may see a bit of a break to the downside in the coming hours if this CCI 150 divergence plays out. So that's where we are at the moment, covering those 4 trades or price movements. And if you want to see more, please subscribe, hit that notification and the like button, and we'll see you in a future video. Thanks for watching.